Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, there are no small pranks, only small people. Hey, Principal Bradford, I was just talking about you.
I used to be able to talk.
Public school enemy number one, Max Sunderman. Hard work does pay off.
I know you did this, Max. I don't have proof, but I promise you, I'll find it before the blisters on my throat heal.
Whoa!
Just
Nerdball. Can you guys move?
getting
Get
dizzy.
away from me. That prank you pulled on the principal was amazing. The whole school's talking about it. Ah, so you're fans, huh? Who do I
You're
make
being
this out
filmed.
to? Tom. There you go, Tim. Yeah, guys, I'm Tim now. Pranking. Wait, we were wondering if you could teach us your pranky ways. Guys, pranking isn't something you can learn. You got it, or you got money. We'll do whatever you say.
Boom.
We'll need minions if I'm gonna take over the world someday. You mean the school? Yeah, that. Alright, let's get started. Right after we get this smudge off Lionel's shirt. We just started.
This is what happens when he gets too much sugar. Hey, show what I do when we get too much caffeine.
Are there two Channing Tatums behind us?
I think she
Can you do it? Caffeine.
Anyway. I can't wait for this weekend. Thank you so much for letting me go to club.
You've been doing a great job at school. You deserve to dance the night away at club. Ooh, ooh.
No, Hank, it's... Stop that.
Quit.
Anyway, my friends and I are so excited. We're getting our hair